Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could elevate your indoor cooking game, the All-Clad Electric Indoor Grill, specifically their AutoSense stainless steel Panini grill press. We found this product online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what this product is all about. The All-Clad Electric Indoor Grill is not just any grill, it's designed with AutoSense technology, which automatically adjusts cooking times based on the thickness of your ingredients. That means you can achieve perfectly cooked sandwiches, meats, and vegetables without the need for a thermometer probe. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to take the guesswork out of cooking. One of the standout features of this grill is the easy cooking indicator. It guides you through 5 different stages of cooking, allowing you to monitor your food without constantly hovering over the grill. This feature is especially handy for busy individuals or families who appreciate the convenience of multitasking while preparing meals. With 9 automatic grilling programs, along with a manual mode that offers 4 temperature options, the versatility of this indoor electric grill is impressive. Whether you're grilling a thick steak, making a classic panini, or even cooking delicate fish, this grill is equipped to handle it all. The extra-large capacity is another highlight, accommodating meals for up to 8 people. Whether you're hosting a family gathering or a casual dinner with friends, this grill can help you serve everyone efficiently. Now, let's talk about who would benefit from this fantastic kitchen appliance. If you're someone who loves to entertain but lacks outdoor grilling space, this indoor grill is perfect for you. It's also ideal for busy parents looking to whip up healthy meals quickly. With its non-stick plates, you can enjoy lower-fat cooking options, making it a smart choice for health-conscious individuals. In terms of practical use cases, imagine preparing a delicious panini filled with your favorite ingredients right in your kitchen. The AutoSense technology ensures that your sandwich is toasted to perfection, while the removable plates may clean up a breeze. You can also grill veggies and meats for a balanced meal, all without the hassle of smoke and mess. Speaking of cleanup, the All-Clad Electric Indoor Grill is designed with easy cleaning in mind. The removable, dishwasher-safe plates and the juice tray mean that after you enjoy your meal, you won't have to spend a lot of time scrubbing and cleaning. This is a massive plus for anyone who wants to enjoy good food without the associated cleanup stress. In conclusion, the All-Clad Electric Indoor Grill, with its advanced cooking technology, versatile options, and user-friendly design, stands out as a remarkable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, this grill opens up a world of possibilities for delicious indoor grilling. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.